not take the Endo class last quarter? Well, now people. So people are jumping in here. Okay, that should work out fine. I don't actually think it's a prerequisite. My stuff is pretty much self-contained. But it's interesting. Okay. So just a couple of administrative things. So I am going to have office hours on the last day that I'm lecturing from 2 to 4. If this doesn't work out for you, you can email me with questions. And really, there's a lot of material I'm going to cover, but I would look at the old exams. People always ask me, is this going to be on the exam? Is this going to be on the exam? I think there are 2 years of old exams on the chalk site, and that's really the best guide of what's going to be on the exam. Okay? The other thing is, my office is really hard to find. I'm in the clinical department in obstetrics and gynecology, and you really just want to follow my instructions, because a lot of these things I go to the L corridor where my office is, the elevators doesn't stop on the second floor, there are a lot of dead ends, so I would follow these instructions. And when you get into OB/GYN, I just ask somebody where my office is, please. And that is really it. And I put my office number on here at the top, so if you get lost, you can just call me. That is the one that's written actually at my desk, and I will be able to find you. And golly, these typewriters are really loud, so this is probably why people didn't take notes on typewriters back then. We'll see how this goes. Is this the only day, or like yesterday you had the typewriters too?
It's today.
It's today, so lucky me. All right, so this is not required reading. So everything that's going to be on the test is going to be stuff that we cover in class and are on my slides. But every now and then people want more background, and this is where I'm getting a lot of information from. So one is the practice committee evaluation of amenorrhea. Amenorrhea is loss of menstrual cycles, put out by the American Society of Reproductive Medicine. And then this, I really think this is the best textbook of, like, easy, introductory textbook of endocrinology. It is in the library. It's Harrison's Endocrinology. Pretty readable. Okay, so this class focuses on disorders, so endocrinology disorders. So when we talk about disorders of reproduction, how do they manifest? Like, how do they come to medical attention? So they often come to medical attention with ambiguous genitalia. A baby is born, and it's not completely clear whether it's a male baby or a female baby. Sometimes people don't go through puberty, and they'll come to medical attention. Or they'll come to medical attention with absence or irregular menstrual cycle. Some people come with infertility, and some people will have early ovarian failure.